In this video, I'll show you how to add a music bot to a Discord server. First, go to your server in Discord. Click on the server name. In the menu that appears, select Server Settings. Then click on an app directory under the Apps section. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the search bar, type green bot and press enter. We need the bot from the top of the search results. Click on it and then click the Add App button. In the window that appears, you can select the server to which you want to add the bot. Then, click on the Continue button. In the next window, you'll see a list of permissions granted to this bot. Click on the Authorize button. A verification window may appear to confirm that you're not a robot. This is a routine check. After this, the bot will be added to your server. Let's go to the server and test it. The bot has sent us a welcome message. Now, go to a voice channel. Start a song using a command. In the Query field, type the artist you want to listen to and press enter. Songs by that artist will begin to play. Thank you for watching.